So in this video, we're going to be breaking down Bonk Bot versus Autosnipe. So Bonk Bot is ideal for quick and straightforward trades. It also allows you to execute trades directly through Telegram and benefits from G2 Labs and 8256 encryption. And lastly, it also has deep links for direct token access. And on the other hand, Autosnipe AI leverages AI for scam detection, rug pull protection, and optimized fees. It also specializes in trading Solana-based meme coins, and you can learn from top traders and copy their strategies. And the final thing, it's also tailored for high-frequency trading. So when it comes to choosing between the two bots, it really depends on your trading style and preferences. So Bonk Bot is perfect for those who want a simple, fast, and secure way to trade crypto. And Autosnipe AI is ideal for traders who want advanced AI features, scam protection, and the ability to copy top traders. So make sure to let us know in the comments which two you prefer and why. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, consider leaving a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.